Das, let's talk about the Congress party because some of their leaders have justified the violence that happened on 26th of January. If we talk about the former party president Rahul Gandhi, an MP who continues to fearmonger over the 3 new farm laws while addressing a rally in Wayanad, his constituency there in Kerala, he goes on to say that the truth is that most farmers do not understand the details of the farm laws because if they did, there would be an agitation all across the country. The country would be on fire, unquote. First up, let's listen into what Rahul Gandhi said.
And now, the latest deadly assault on the Kisans has been revealed. And the truth is that most farmers do not actually understand the details of the bill. Because if they did, there would be an agitation all across the country would be on fire. And now, the latest deadly assault on the Kisans has been revealed. And the truth is that most farmers do not actually understand the details of the bill. Because if they did, there would be an agitation all across the country would be on fire.
We're going across to Anuj now because Anuj, there were no takers for Rahul Gandhi's point of view when it comes to the agitation and the so-called support that the Congress party has been lending to this agitation. Now to fuel the fire, they're just saying that what exactly does Rahul Gandhi mean by saying that if all farmers understood the farm laws, then the entire country would be on fire? Is he questioning when it comes to the certain other farmers who are out there on the streets that they haven't understood the farm laws?
Well, this is really shocking if we talk about this statement of Rahul Gandhi coming in from Wayanad. Because what exactly Rahul Gandhi is looking for is a larger question after his statement. Is he looking for this kind of violence which was witnessed in National Capital on 26th January across the country? Is that something what Congress party is looking for? We do understand how the politicization of the issue has been done from the day one by the Congress party, how the Congress leader are coming out with various kind of reaction. But is this really something what Rahul Gandhi want to say, that if farmers really understood the meaning of the 3 farm laws, then the agitation would have not been limited to the national capital, but across the country? Is that something what Congress party and the former president of the Congress party looking for? We do understand again and again to politicize the matter. The controversial statement has been given. Even the Congress party has tried their level best to visit to the president to go up with the fake campaign of fake signature campaign. But now this statement is making it very much clear what exactly the ideology is and what Congress party is looking for. Because this is none other but Rahul Gandhi himself, the former president of the Congress party, who is now saying that if farmers would have understood the meaning of the 3 farm laws, then it would have been across the country. So is that something what Congress party is supporting? Is that something what Congress party is looking for? Rahul Gandhi and the mother duo need to understand and make it clear what exactly they are looking for when we are talking about the politicization of the matter, when we are talking about the farmer agitation. We have seen
how
many...
There has been also a counter coming to Rahul Gandhi's statement there, Anuj, because I would just like to put forth what Ram Madhav of the BJP has said, and he's tweeted just a short while back, where on the comments of Rahul Gandhi saying that the farmers of the country haven't understood what the farm laws are, Ram Madhav retorts saying that Rahul calls farmers in the country unintelligent. They're probably more intelligent than him and hence agitating against the farm laws. So that is also the point that has been put forth by the BJP in a counter to Rahul Gandhi's statement where he was speaking at his constituency there in Wayanad, Kerala. Is he trying to provoke violence all across the country that was witnessed in the national capital? Because he goes on to say that if the farmers had actually understood what the farm laws are all about, the entire country would be on fire. Let's listen in to the former Congress party president once again.
And now, the latest deadly assault on the Kisans has been revealed. And the truth is that most farmers do not actually understand the details of the bill. Because if they did, there would be an agitation all across the country would be on fire.